Okay, so from here, you can see the first ridge, and then beyond it, the second ridge. So just as the better visual of what I was talking about.
So this is, you would consider as first ridge?
This whole thing is the first ridge.
Oh,
like that
the
knot
three?
there, we don't fuck with that.
Okay.
The one beyond it, we do.
Okay.
And then the one beyond it, we do.
So when you say ridge, you're talking about these three right
here?
here?
The top lines, yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay.
So where the new hike puts us is on the other side of that tall one in the back.
Oh, okay.
And we go up the back of that and then connect with the trail that we normally see and then end up on the other side on that main road that takes us back down to the water towers.
Okay.
Yeah, it took a minute to...
And that climb up there is brutal, huh?
The climb,
oh, yeah.
It was tough.
You got to do it.
So I'm looking at the sat map and I'm like, because I could see the squiggly line. Squiggly line is switchbacks. I'm like, okay, that's switchbacks. That's going to be hard. and it was hard. Getting there
and you hit it through that trail?
Yeah, we dropped here, went straight through the valley, and then ended up, as soon as we passed the big rocky path, I'm like, okay, it's right here, make the right. Just beyond that, and then
you see a
for
sign,
a long way into that valley. That valley's tight too. It's not wide like these other ones are. It's like, it's tight.
Yeah.
And there's what used to be a riverbed there as well, which you can see from the sat map. You can see a dark line, and then you can see the light trail line next to it. It's like, that was a river. Not a river, hadn't been a river for a long time, but you can follow the rocks. And then, like I said, you make a right, and then up the mountain you go. Or as we were going to do today, we were going to try the down path of it. But like I said, it takes a minute, and I didn't want to.
Oh, look at that green thing out there.
Uh-oh, someone left something on the trail. It's like a balloon.
Yeah? Yeah, I was thinking of vest too. Let's go check it out.
We're going up. Going up today.
Hey, can we go check out that vest?
If you want to go check out the vest.
Well, I'm curious. It's almost like on the way to your place, there's always that bike that's tied up.
We'll bushwhack here across.
Yeah.
This is a trail over here to take this up as well, so we'll get this out. I don't normally go this way. That's a balloon. I told you it was a balloon.
Ooh.
Roman listens to the Roman.
Oh.
The Mylar balloon. Oh.
It's one of those.
Yeah. Someone's having a party out here.
I know.
Well, it probably just drifted.
Now people will know exactly where the balloon goes when they...
It's a Nintendo or a Xbox controller.
Oh, and it's a birthday. Happy birthday.
Yep.
Buddy.
Keep controlling the garbage. I'd haul it out, but I need my other arm.
Yeah. Kind of bummed that I wasn't invited to the party.
Are you invited to any parties?
Who? Oh, me? No.
All right, careful because the ground's loose up here.
Oh, yeah.
The only time I go to a party is when I know there's going to be really good food. Then I'll go. But if it's one of those like bring your own shit, like I'm good.
Careful.
You promised no more treacherousness.
I know, well I didn't plan on going this way. Gary wanted to look at that fucking balloon.
Huh.
The other way is not treacherous. The way I planned to go.
Can you, Marion?
Oh, I know, right?
Cortez path.
Well, I wanted to put these new shoes to test. So far, it's doing good. I haven't died yet.
How's the foot doing anyway?
Oh, man. I think I have that injury for the rest of my life.
Hey.
It's that planter.
Oh, yep. I've dealt with it before.
Yeah.
When I was playing racquetball, actually, when it was a real problem.
Yeah.
Back when I was young, I used to play racquetball.
Yeah.
Actually, I was like 7.
To me, it comes and goes, you know. So I've learned to deal with it. But the good thing is next Tuesday, I have a VA appointment. Hopefully we addressed every medical issue I have. You good?
Yeah, that wasn't too bad, actually.
Yeah. At least it wasn't muddy. Mud is good. We should do one of those mud runs.
Oh, I always wanted to do those.
Yeah, I did too. I just want to see how muddy I could get.
It's the two things I don't like:
Oh, really?
running and mud.
Yeah. Oh, I hate being dirty, but I remember younger playing outside. I wasn't even allowed to go in till I hosed off.
Oh, okay.
You are not coming in this house like that. I'm gonna jump in the shower. Shower outside.
Here's where we normally would have been. That's the path that we were supposed to be coming.
Oh, okay. Damn balloon. We should have taken it, took a picture. It's like, hey, we found your balloon. Happy birthday.
Toenail on my right foot was waiting to fall off.
Yeah.
I injured it. I was actually changing my daughter, which is a funny thing. So you have to kneel, and when I did, the toenail cracked.
Ugh.
Like, this is not going to be good. And it's been this way for months.
Yeah.
It's finally grown out enough now. It's just like awful.
Oh.
It looks like a witch's foot.
Oh.
Ooh.
Yeah.
And my wife's like, why don't you cut it off? I'm like, because there's still like a quarter of the nail that isn't bad.
Yeah.
And I don't want to cut into that, because that'll hurt like a bastard. Right now it's just annoying
Yeah.
and kind of funky looking. To be fair, I don't walk around naked feet. Right?
Oh. Yeah, I still remember did a deployment, and the first day we just got out of the channel, and I felt like something in my big toe. I'm like, oh God, it's like throbbing. So I went to medical. The first thing the doctor says, damn, Chief, it's the first day of deployment. You're already hurt? I'm like, no, man, I think it's my toe. So he had to pull the toenail out because he was growing in.
Oh, geez.
And so he had to cut it. Dude, that first shower that night was the most painful. As soon as water dropped on
Oh,
it,
yeah, it stings.
oh, it stunk. Yeah. Oh,
Yep.